Hi, I'm Tommy, one of the developers here at Treehouse, and I'd like to welcome you to Git Basics. Together, we're going to explore a tool that millions of developers rely on to help them manage their projects, including the Treehouse staff. It's not Ruby or Rails or JavaScript or CSS. It's our version control system, or VCS, Git. The VCS is what allows all of our developers and designers to work on the same code base without constantly stepping on each other's toes and driving each other crazy, along with a host of other benefits that we'll discuss shortly. Before we begin, though, I have a couple of quick suggestions. First, if you haven't already, I strongly recommend that you go and complete Jim's excellent console deep dive. While there are some graphical interfaces to Git, in this course we'll mostly be interacting with it through its command line interface. And if you're not already familiar with the ins and outs of working in the Unix console, it might get a little hairy. Second, this first stage, why version control matters, is going to focus on explaining the purpose and utility of using a VCS in general, and will specifically discuss the basic architecture of Git. Without this information, it can be difficult and confusing to start using Git, so we think it's important to go over that before we jump into the deep end. That said, if you already know some of these basics, or are just really itching to get your hands dirty, feel free to jump to the next stage, getting started with Git, and dive right into creating and working with Git repositories. Unless you're really in a hurry, though, I'd recommend you stick around and get a refresher first.